1 year ago, Arya moved away. No fight, no drama. Her family just packed up and left. She didn't say goodbye to anyone, not even her best friends. No calls, no texts, just gone. Her friend group slowly drifted apart after that. They used to laugh, share secrets, and eat lunch together every day. But without Arya, something was missing. So they stopped trying. But then, on the anniversary of her move, something unexpected happened. They each got a message from an unknown number. "Hey, if you're still mad at me, I understand, but I miss you. Meet me at the treehouse." Hey, it had to be Arya. They hadn't been to the old treehouse in months. It used to be their place, where they planned sleepovers, shared snacks, and made promises they thought would last forever. Curious and nervous, they all showed up. Same treehouse, same awkward silence. Inside, they found a small box tied with a ribbon and 5 envelopes. Each one had their name on it. Inside were handwritten letters from Arya. No drama, no guilt, just sweet, honest words. Apologies, memories, inside jokes. And something else. A photo. One she printed of the last day they were all together. Her note ended with, "I thought moving away would erase me from your lives, but I never forgot any of you. If you ever want to talk, I'm just one message away." The group sat there for a while, reading in silence. Then one of them smiled, another laughed softly. Someone wiped their eyes. And for the first time in a long time, they started talking again. Not about Arya, but about everything. The message didn't bring Arya back, but it brought them back to each other. There are 2 ways to look at this story. 1, on the day Arya moved away, her friends could have sent her a message saying, "Don't forget about us." Maybe then she wouldn't have moved so far away or felt so alone, but they didn't. Instead, they let her walk away. That hurt her, even if she didn't show it. For a year, Arya carried the weight of their broken friendship. Then she decided to fix it. Maybe she was hoping they'd forgive her for leaving without saying goodbye. Oh, maybe she just wanted to let them know she still cared. Either way, her message worked, brought them back together. Now, it's easy to blame Arya for ending the friendship. After all, she was the one who moved away. But sometimes people change, and when they do, we need to change with them, otherwise we lose them. And losing a friend can be a good thing. It pushes you to become a better person. That's what happened to these characters. They each got a message from someone they hadn't heard from in a year, and it inspired them to reach out to each other again. So sometimes we need to lose people in order to find them again.